So you can't go there, but come break it up.
I want to ask you about the banking system we are going in our country. When you go at the cash machine, them you go draw out your little money. Sometimes they say the machine they now work. You got a machine and you not get you can't get through. You got 6 or 7 different machines and you can't get through.
Hold on a moment. We just say when me got the cash machine.
Yeah, anybody, whether me or you. I'm going around when you're going at the bank to go get your money. You have problem to get your money because you use people going in your account. People find way going in your account but damage your money, draw out your money. You have a $1 million bank and when you're here from this out, none in your book.
Nobody can find that so easy.
For your savings?
Yes.
And a bank you put for you?
That even work with you already?
No, I have a 10 cent, that's not broke. Nothing a silver, I have a silver.
Yeah? You don't put nothing in a bank?
So you say ready, you have an account?
You save on the mattress?
So where you save for your little?
I mean, look at box of me now.
Yeah?
4 corner. Drop a little hole in it. Drop them one.
Paper money too?
Everybody good on them.
So you tell me we'll go there and road?
Roach cut up them in a box.
No, man. They have, so we said, roach can't go in it.
Let's up your house bond down. When you got.
What's in a house here?
Oh, and in a house you have.
And people can look for it.
Yeah, because when me I say, Ruddy,
yes.
the government when post will speak to the bank with your money. Because they say no good to see the money at all.
True.
So we can lodge the money at the bank. And then come in with a new banking system. You don't have to go inside of the bank anymore because you have a cash machine thing outside where you go and put your card in and ATM, right. You pretty tell you the name where you have the ATM machine. So when you go, you swipe your card and when you want $3,000, $4,000, $6,000 out of your account, it come out to you like that. You understand? So them things they come more to the country more and more, every day more than more. Yeah, some numbers or something like that.
You type in your PIN, you type in your PIN.
Whatever.
For your card and then you type in the amount you want.
Where you want, right. Remember me and you are old man, you know. We are 60s man, you know. We don't know nothing about them something here. So it's a good thing we get picked like them little one where we do them something here. Feel we? Right. So when we hear people a ball now and I say, they might lose their money in and now. But when they go a bank, the money are missing. Whatever you have in the bank, people find ways and means to draw out your money out of the bank now. So me I say, back in the days when we were all we did have to go in a bank. Remember you say you never go in a bank, you don't have no account. So back in the days when we used to go a bank and line up back at one night and go to the teller with your bank book, get your little money and you sign with your sign in your bag. To me, then days they're no better than now. I never used to hear nobody a ball say them a lose no money.
You know, say a good while that one.
Nobody never used to ball those days.
And you know it still goes so?
Yeah,
You're not happy about your
you're not happy about your one time when they say people lost their money in time. The bank must get wreck up.
Yeah.
And the people can't get back their money.
Yeah.
I'm checking about in the 90s also.
All the while we hear
no
them
bank,
something.
good bank, no good enough.
You have some policies where you can join up with. And what like Sagicor and then something there. But Sagicor is a legal one. Some people come on board with somewhere not legal. And if you don't know and jump on with them, you will get robbed. Exactly. So what happen now? We don't know now where we are saying now with the banking system if it's a scamming thing. Yeah, because look, you know, remember, you know, in the days when me a pick me, I used to go a bank with all my whole lady or we elder people them then. When we used to go bank with them people then. Me used to have to stand up and wait for my mother so till she behind 5, 6 somebody, you know, before PR term, you know. And me never yet one day hear them the people back in the days in the 70s and 80s who to ball say they might lose their money from the bank that type of way. You like no.
Interest grew up on their money.
Interest used to grow up on their money. Yeah. Exactly, so Ruddy.
No interest now grow up.
You have to pay now for your money to your bank.
Yeah.
You have to pay now. Then take fee out of your amount. You have to take, they might take fee, word speaking, you have certain amount in the bank. They might take certain amount a day for your money, stay with them.
And I tell me go back
and like one time when you go at the bank, and you have $10,000 or $50,000, you go you see $51,000 or $50,000, 300. You know, see that anymore. No interest now, bro. It a cut down.
So you have to pay for life.
They might take fee from it. They might collect a fee from you to keep the money at the bank.
Even when you draw your money, you pay one fee if you draw it.
Exactly. Yeah. So anyway you take it, you are lose. And then when you take a stock again, when you go in your account now, people go in to take 100,000, 250,000, up to 500,000. I see people come and TV screen with them at you say people lose. So what pass all of this? You know, better we stay with we whole paper something then where we used to write on paper pack up high so in a bank. When you used to go, they go see that it high so in a bank. And roach yam down the bank. More I know them bring in computer system and machine system and people are get robbed. This type of way, yeah? No, but more people are lose. More people are lose now. More people are lose today more than before.
They man have the money. You can box up one little place in a place.
The government say not to see it so.
You can't tell me how to save. I hurt my money.
Them say you not to save this.
I not give me no.
Oh, we not to save it. How we learn?
You never know how you get money to save. Because I don't like say him mirror up with and not save my money.
What they say we not to save the money home?
You not to save at home if you carry it.
So if you want me to feel sick in the night, no, my yard.
But look, sometimes your money at the bank and when you go the whole year, you never get a dollar. So put your urgent situation. So put this is our urgent situation. Enough time. People buy the machine and can't get none. Machine broke down. Machine not working. Machine out of service. No money no did there. Many different excuses. We don't know. And they fix it the way there.
Sometimes I take your card for days, you have to go to and from back before you get back on.
And remember the government change up the system and fix it this way now. To people have a better access and easier access to your money.
Suppose you see me have 130 million.
Yeah.
I'm a good. I'm 1 million.
Yeah. It take you all 3 weeks to get so much money.
You can't just go get it, so you know. You have to notify them.
Notify the bank from 1 week before. I say to Ruddy, I drop back everything one go. Give me back it. I mean, I carry go something to put it. And you have to tell me, say, I have to notify you first 1 week before. And I can't get it today, and I can't get this amount, I can't get this amount. Rubbish.
Your life and that situation now, and you want the money to save a life, and you have to tell
me that I put the money can't get one time, around 100,000 I can't get one time. The machine can't, but most of the machine can give more than 100,000, you know. Most of the machine can give more than 100,000, you know, and some not give up to 100,000. So we are limit people on their own cash. Remember people have to do them personal business, you know. Me want to buy a car now. You have to go buy it through the bank, you know. At the bank you buy it through, you know. So your information gone to more than 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Your card information, you know. So what happen? And that's something where they say you have to keep private. And when you are doing your transaction, so much people lose their information from their card. That's people have access to your information. That's they can go in your account and pull out your money.
You see me auntie go bank with you?
Yeah.
When you go bank with you, they will have fee money gone out in bamboo.
You will have money.
All our money go out and all the money come out, nobody know.
Nobody know. The bank can't give an account to do man money. And I'm more
you see something like
20 different person in here with this. From the other day.
The money inside of the bank.
Yeah.
When you sign down,
yeah, I'm large there.
I mean, I pay you
to keep it. Yeah, I will not take fee. Yes. Whatever amount, whether 150 a day or dollar a day or $2 a day, we don't know about they have in rate.
So, and when they come here tell me that the money can't be found.
Uno can't give me no good argument about it. Stupidness.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, that's why most people will decide they now put it there. You can't fight them on that. You cannot fight the people them on them own money and decide they now put it at the bank. You know, because look we are reaching in at the bank now. Look we are reaching at the system.
Alright.
You can't go to the machine and tell yourself you have to come back and buy something down there so you know must get no money. You can't go to the machine and you don't get no money. You know if you go so, it can't go like that, it shouldn't go like that. Right. So if you have an emergency situation and you rush to the machine and when you got no money, you rush to the one day over there, none same way.
When time you fly with cheese, you know. finish his door.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me
I saw where you make that. Don't go don't we work on bro.
That's what you did.
No, man.
You have to make one of them pick in one way, man.
Nah, dead man.
Ruddy, you're right. Still in the Ruddy. Hey. Yeah.
One of them buried you. Jump there, you walk.
I shuffle off some.
Yeah. And lock up back. I don't me know. Boy. Cause one time a man tell me say you know Ruddy. A man did thief a nice piece of money, you know. But he must go to prison. Because of good money. If anytime police hold him, he must go to prison. So this I say I go hide the money at one place. That's a police catch him and he go in a prison. The money is fixed. Alright, so
10 years.
yes.
Fix the money.
Right, so him go bury it at one place. After him bury it done now, he say everything alright. He go climb one long mango tree, go up in a mango tree. And take the picture at the place. And pick something nice and say, yes, I guess so. Mark this spot. When him rain come down and police actually hold him to true, so he end up at prison. And when him come back from prison, you know, I want camping see them. The man house in see which part him did bury money. One man live there. So when him come, him and then say,
Oh, get
what go happen? If the man live here, so that a man must find this. So when he forward up and check the man, tell the man say, well, in the bury one something at that spot. Yeah, the man tell him say him find it. Yes, him find it. You know, it's not make over his place. He can't find. When man to pull down in your house and to make him come go dig up to go find this. Man tell him saying when him a dig in your spot, him find it. Yeah, one nice little bag of money. He went he can't do nothing more. Him done in a trouble, him done in a problem already. And I see hiding space.
Well, me, yeah, I forgot pull down your house, you know.
Yeah, pull down your house.
I mean, I know a man saying fine, so it doesn't make sense.
You must find if it's true, but the man just have to tell him that. Because you what going on. Me not pull down my house. Me go pull down my house to make you come dig up this. No, sir. Me find him, man. Me find him. So, when you say that now, me agree with you to keep your money like how you say you that's here for your money. Because me now as a man now, when me sit down and listen to all this story, this never trigger me out if me keep up my money in the banking system, brother. When me go consider, me go think more than twice, you know. Me have to go think more than twice there right now when this happen to me, you know. Yeah, right. You see what me I say?
What's it?
Yeah. True, man. Yeah, man. Me have to keep that in my position when me know say when me want money, me can reach to me money, brother. And that people have their money for man. People have their money to when they want their money, they can get to their money and know say, well, me have easy access to my money. Yeah. Me can go do what me want to do with my money. Remember people work so hard. Me see one lady last night, I cry on the television, you know. I cry living in water. The woman saying you have millions of dollars in her bank when you work hard. And when you look 3 times different time, then show which part money withdraw from your account. 500,000 up here so one time, 350 down here so one time, and one at 500 down here so one at a time. $1 million that 1 week out of the woman account, brother. So we expect say people work so hard and save the money for the whole days and at this a reach with. When you go back you see the money short, the money missing, the money gone. And I know we can't happen a from year before last. We don't.
They need to sort out it. They need to sort it out.
The government, where the government?
We don't know if they might take a stand to this and not to plan to do anything. We not hear nothing about what them plan to do to the people and we are lost so much. We don't hear nothing announced about that. We just hear about who are lost and how much them are lost. We don't hear there's no action plan to take. Or if the system are going to change, or if we are going to go back to the whole pen and paper system. As we say, file pack up in a bank high.
They need to make more. Something going on legal, some scamming, then it needs to start out.
No, I'm going to tell we say now, so we keep we information confident. That means you have to keep your card to yourself. But everybody try to keep them card in a person.
Yeah, private business that.
Exactly. You got the bank you use, you put it back up good. Oh, where you get it from?
Right now, you know, what my opinion on it? You see the people inside of the bank, they have my friend was scammer and I do what them I do. Because ongo them in the bank know so whether this a film.
At the bank give you the card. All the card we got, we get them from the bank.
Me pin now at the bank. They poor me not remember it. They must can't tell more my opinion inside the bank.
Inside of the bank, you know.
Oh, come in and go come and tell.
Mix up
me no must want tell you all of my family member them my pin. Me must keep that to myself. You have some family you can say me tell them my pin. If you don't remember your pin, you can go back in the bank
and then give you back
me
again.
So, you know, me don't know if I saw you go.
But supposed to.
If they can't tell you. But them I work with scammer. They have the scammer friend where they get them cut out of it.
Yeah.
So you see when they say they look all they have million, you know. They might take 500,000 out of your man.
Idiot man.
1.5 half a year.
Yeah, because
and then in get 250 and the friend was scammer.
In a situation like that, the bank know how much each person have in them account. So if you want to tell your friend, say, you know, Ruddy account tick. Ruddy have millions in your account, you know, you can't do it.
Then the starting out to the machine, machine for $1 they see $1.
Yeah.
That's why I say, I wrong Ruddy. I saw me and save me money to Ruddy. Yeah.
Don't I gully?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I care for me a year amount.
That's what me are. When we come down.
Look at the mattress.
Chain up this down there. This chain up Ruddy. Oh, you mean?
I am a bush and watch you and you don't know.
I am a watch you just as I tell you.
Sometimes you scammer do this down a trailer and all them get information. And when you find out that's money inside I bag them.
Oh, you get my information off of my card. Oh, no get my information off of my card.
That not look good none at all.
I'm going to my account a Portland. Oh, no get me information. So something not look good, brother. That not look good, brother. So and them just something a easy something to gather information.
Sometimes I see it towards something.
Yeah, they can't track easily. Everything come from the system, so they can track. You know, once something like that go down, they can track. You know, so when we see them something happen, I know like say the authority no can go further with it, and if they know more about what go on and do something about it, they can already do a thing about it. But they just neglectful and the poor people no mind with them will keep money where they might lose like that.
Because white people something the bank account get your
yeah, you know, because you see them quick run to other nation bit more and how they run to we. You get what me I say? Because I know one or two people about right now. A lot of people may hear a cry and a bar about the same system, you know, which it gets worse and worse every day more than more.
You see this computer thing?
Yeah.
This is a big scamming thing.
Yeah, because you see you have a lot of young people where them brain is very much active with towards the system, you know.
Yeah.
So them go a good school, you know.
Yeah.
So at this we educate we youth them to come do because everybody will deal with that kind of system. They are bright educated people, you know. No dunce can do this. So anybody we can go in a them system there and pay your laptop and pay your phone and go do you do and go in a people account you have to personal good up yourself with your head. You got university. You understand what I say? So you can educate the kids them and when they come from college. Yeah, after
we are just a while ago, you know. Me have to go in and
exactly.
Look and say, man, this year me going
and
go in other bank.
So I know don't do this, I know don't do it. So if we educate the kids them, like that, when they leave school and college, we have to find job give them.
I think we
have to find job give them.
You know what you see? The more you can have to chat more while you know. Sometimes when you are chatting, don't go to hold your account. Like if you find that one,
and that then do. Yeah. Because most of the time when they show you say the money move from this account to another account, and that they show you. Yeah. So them have to find ways and means. They have to find ways and means to stop this because the people might last too much and people
some people can't save at home.
No, because you easy have access to the money. You have easy access to it. Yeah,
so then just put your bank and work towards to buy something. When you go, you can't get your money. Your money got all your feeling and yourself.
Enough people can't save at home for true. Because you have too much easy access to the money. Yeah, right.
The money you do what you want, do it if you want, save it and save it. Because I best way that, you know. Because you don't know any idea what can happen, you know.
To the system.
Yeah. You can't avoid something you get a
What do you man? What do you man? Yeah, right.
No people let that money and nobody can get it.
Because I just team alone name me give in your account.
Most people they left money about.
And
they not do nothing.
Nobody can get it. Nobody can get it.
Yeah, money just gone to government.
If you never have a joint account with no one else, that dead. That's about dead.
You must have a good sister, one good family member where you can
you not get it, you can't get it. No care what research you could do as family, no care how close you is. That you not going to get done. That them are going to do that.
They want that.
They not do that. I don't think that we have to kind of more vigilant in our life here now, right now, to our go on in our system. We have to take up more stand to our go on, and we make more be careful with the money. Yeah, we have to more be careful with that.
We not black people not have sense neither, you know.
And they're not better than we, you know.
They're rich and we. They're wealthy more.
The money.
Yeah, they're wealthy more. Yeah, they're wealthy more.
Yeah, and no of them have the money and still not happy.
They're uncomfortable. They're uncomfortable. They're not live a comfortable life. Yeah, they're not live a comfortable life.
You know, say if you not put nobody in there, just government that grant you have a picnic. You don't feel like you make your money.
Your money good on to government. Yeah, you know. So, all them things, we need to know more and do better and do more. You know.
Put my money in my bank, you know.
Yeah. I agree with you.
You say Ruddy?
Me nah put my money in the bank.
Okay. Where say Doreen?
People don't like Ruddy.
You're going to tell me a bush like Ruddy, but don't work enough I need.
Yeah, me believe so.
You put for me a bank, you know.
I feel like would have one nice little safe place and
make me go down there and can't find my money.
Me make an inside cheese and me home and have me lock and everything.
Bank good and bank bad.
And
lock up my money. Yes, sir. And most of my money down yard and
me go and can't find my money now. Me just have a wall
make people come broke me house and go in. That time now me we know say me put on better reinforcement on me door them and me lock them and me window them because me know me value when me have at home.
Yeah.
Right. You can't go away then either. You can't take it away. Right. Oh, we built in with your code number. Right.
No people that see a bank, you know, they are then choosing their own.
And you put all your private entities, them and everything in there.
Fire, it can't burn up.
Even fire, it can't burn up. Right.
They see like in our commands and them there.
Yeah.
You choose the money, cheese can never burn.
Nothing can do it. Right. That's right. So you just
money
know
like cheese and
some of them they build for your wall.
Building at the wall. Building at the wall. I have your code number where you're going with it.
Stack your money in there.
Stack all your values in that.
Yeah, you can't padlock.
No, man, I don't want no padlock. That no easily off.
No.
Let me do it padlock.
Ruddy padlock can't pin it.
You up in a bottom, you know, Ruddy. Do it that.
One little earpin.
Can't pull that.
Come on, come and push one earpin up in there and fly this and take out your belly. You have your good computer sitting where you press your button them man and you alone know them 3-digit number or 4-digit number. You want to know that.
Yeah, alone know them digit number there.
And punching the number them and turn your something so and that open.
Right.
You know? And you still have one other key again now too where you use too.
So where's the padlock that work there?
You're mad. You are mad. Go criminal come. You put your little belly Ruddy bad and go with your belly. So people, that we are trying to talk about, you know, the banking system in our country, you know, right, and enough people are uncomfortable with it because we are losing a lot of money through the system. The system now for your right, and in our suit the nation in a proper way, like how we get service from the system.
Yeah.
People are uncomfortable, and we are asked and we are calling authority to do more better and see what they can do for the people then. We are going to lose more and we are going to lose too much. I think this will continue like that. Yeah, this can continue. So respect, enough respect to the fans, them same way as we say. We kind of gather one little place, meet and know say well then I saw you going up. I don't know school open back again until Doreen a figure work, pretty a figure work, Jelly's a gone to school and me and Miss Cherry you know we have to die road same way. Rasta rolling at the farm with the animal them. Right now we both them up. Him some young one, and him grandkids and some great great grand and so something now. Yes, so. Yes. So you know we go, you know.
Yeah, man.
So, right, this
Happy New Year.
Same way.
Everybody, respect.
Big up on yourself, my viewers them.
Same way to all of the viewers them, same way, you know. And we wish this year to be a better year for all of us. Yeah, right. Enough respect, big up on yourself and dance.
Oh.
Yeah.